What's up, everyone? Today I'm in the fireworks today, and it's a Geelong. Here are the views. So cool, isn't it? Yeah. And it's not. And it starts at 9 o'clock, and it's 9 o'clock. It should happen anytime soon, I think. It's gonna be a great night. I'll show you if it comes, and the fireworks will come. It's gonna happen at 9:30 p.m. The fireworks are gonna happen at 9:30 p.m. And I said in the previous video, part 2 is coming, and this is part 2. The fireworks are about to happen. This is it. The fireworks.
मामी को क्या बैठ के